machine called a hydropower generator. Hydropower means using the energy of moving water to generate electricity. Isn't it amazing? To build it, we are going to use easy materials and simple steps. You will see how water can be used to turn a wheel and generate electricity like big factories do. In the end, we'll have a functioning hydropower machine and see how awesome renewable energy can be. So let's dive right into the topic and bring the science to life. Let's see what are the materials we require. We would need a motor with a turbine attached, a USB connector, a light like this one, a pump, and a big container. I have provided a link in the description where you can find all of these materials. Let's assemble everything together. Take the pump and place it in the container over here. After that, cut a hole like this. Then take the generator and place it like this. Attach the light, and now we are ready to fill the container with water and test it out. Now, as you can see, I filled the container with water. So, now on the pump, and you may notice that the water is not coming out, but it can be fixed by dipping the motor into the water and taking it out. Now, give the turbine a little nudge, and now you can see that electricity is being generated and the light is lit up. Now, you might be wondering how the motor generates electricity. So let me tell you. Hydropower works by using moving water to spin a turbine. The flowing water pushes the blades of the turbine, making it rotate. The spinning motion is connected to a generator where magnets and coils of wire work together to create electricity. It's a simple and clean way to turn water's energy into power. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe. Hope you have all learned how to build a simple hydropower generator.